We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our team works hard to make everyone happy, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And now we're thrilled to share this one with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.